Hey guys, Zach here. And if you're trying to build a conversational AI in 11 Labs with the current date, it doesn't really work. This is what you get. Hey, what's the current date?
I am sorry, I cannot fulfill this request. I do not have access to current date information. Is there anything else?
Now 11 Labs is a great tool for booking client meetings without actually getting on the phone. But if it doesn't know the current date, people can book meetings in the past. They can't say today, next week, next month, which is cumbersome, and you don't want that for your customers. So this is how you fix it. Now when you search up how to do this in Google, it doesn't really tell you. It tells you there's two different methods using either a custom retrieval tool or an override function. And they even have websites that you can access for this, but it doesn't really tell you how to do it. It's very vague and doesn't really help you out. So we're going to show you how to do it using a custom retrieval tool in Make.com. Now here's the workflow in Make.com. It has 3 modules, so it's going to use 3 operations every single time a customer calls the current date. But you have 1,000 free operations every single month. So unless you have super high volumes, this will be completely free. So first it starts off with a custom webhook, which is connected to your 11 Labs agent. Now I'll show you how to do that in a minute. The second module is just getting the current date. Now you should use format date, and you can either copy this or change the format to whatever time zone and format you would like. And then you have a webhook response, which just returns the current date to the 11 Labs agent. Do not forget to turn on your automation. So you need to click here, you need to turn it on, and just immediately. So quickly showing you how to add the webhook into 11 Labs, you have your agent, you scroll down, there is a tools section. So you click add tool, custom tool, and you can name it whatever you want. Usually it's for booking meetings, so you can call it booking meetings or reservation tool, doesn't really matter. And you will make sure to use the get method, and this is where you paste the URL. So in Make.com, copy address to clipboard, and simply paste it into the URL. Now that's it. It's that simple to connect the webhook. Now the last thing you need to do is call this tool in the system prompt. So I put it in the context prompt to start, just saying current date source, the assistant must always use the current date captured by the get tool. And then you want to inject this into your actual conversation prompt. So for myself specifically, once it identifies that the caller wants to book a meeting and for which service, it'll say, please tell me the date for the meeting. Today is June 10, 2025, assuming that's today's date. Now it does always have to say today is June 10, 2025, because then it is updating its memory with today's current date for the call. So you can do this exactly how I did it, or whichever way you would like in your system prompt. You just need to call the tool. So today is current date, use get current date tool. Now, if for whatever reason your system prompt isn't working, just plug it into ChatGPT, tell it exactly what you want it to do. You want it to get the current date using this tool, and even give it the name of the tool like I did here, and it should fix that right up for you and work flawlessly. Now, let me show you what this looks like once you have it set up properly. What is today's date?
Today is June 19th, 2025. What date would you like to book your meeting for?
And there you have it. Works flawlessly every single time.